Good afternoon, friends. I wanted to do one more video for you today. So let's do our rule song. Ready? Eyes on teacher, listening ears, You should have calm hands, and a calm body, Nice singing. So I was thinking, if you celebrate Easter, okay, I have my little bunny here. If you celebrate Easter on Sunday, you might be seeing Easter eggs, okay? Sometimes you might find Easter eggs around your house. They're different colors. This one is green. This one is orange. This one is yellow, right? What color is this one? Well, you can't really tell. This one's pink. So let's do another one. This one is a little purple. All right? So you might find some Easter eggs. And inside Easter eggs, if you open them, you might find something inside, right? The other day I did bears inside. We're going to do that again today. Inside this Easter egg, I don't have anything, but let's see what's in my other eggs. All right? I have an egg. My egg is in the bowl. Where's my egg? In the bowl. You tell me. Where's Amanda's egg? In the bowl, that's right. All right, I found it in the bowl. Take it out. All right, let's open it. Open. Let's see what I find. 1, 2, 3. In my egg were 3 bears. Let's count. 1, 2, 3. In that egg, there were 3 green bears. Let's count. 1, 2, 3. Good job. Let's do the next one. I'm going to put my 3 bears away. 1, 2, 3. Put them back in the egg. What is next? Oh, here's my next egg. Where is the egg? Where is the egg? Egg is under the cup. Under the cup. Let's find the egg. Where is it? You tell me. Under, that's right. Under. Let's see what's in the egg. Open. I see a yellow bear. Let's count. Ready? 1. Yes. How many bears? 1 yellow bear. How many? 1. Nice job. Put my 1 yellow bear back in. Put him under the cup. That was silly. All right. Ready? Let's do another one. Where is the egg? I have Elsa here from Frozen. Where is the egg? Is it next to Elsa or under Elsa? Egg is next to Elsa. Where is the egg? Next to. Good job. Let's open the egg. All right, let's count. Ready? 1, 2. What was in the egg? 2 green bears. Let's count. 1, 2. Good job, you guys. Let's put the 2 bears back in. Bye, Elsa. Bye. Let's do one more egg. All right. Where is the orange egg? Where? It's between my markers. Where is the egg? Between. Good job, friends. Between. Let's open the egg. Whoa. Let's see what's inside. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Let's count them together. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bears. Good. How many? You tell me. 6. Good. What was in the egg? 6 orange bears. Good job, you guys. I'm going to put my bears back in the egg. So when you're looking for eggs on Sunday, you can notice where the egg is. Is it under a table? Is it in a plant? Is it between 2 books? Where is the egg? And you can look inside and see what's inside. You might, I don't know what you'll find. You never know. All right. Have a good weekend. Bye, friends.